Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate emoji suggestions on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you can access all the configuration options for your phone, including keyboard settings that control how text input works. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled System. Go ahead and tap on it. This section contains core system-level settings that affect how your device operates, including language, keyboard, and input preferences. Inside the System menu, look for and tap on Keyboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to typing and text input on your Pixel 8 Pro, from the keyboard layout to autocorrect features and more. Next, tap on Keyboard Apps. This option allows you to see which keyboard applications are installed on your device and gives you access to their individual settings. Your Pixel 8 Pro likely uses Gboard as the default keyboard, which is Google's official keyboard app with tons of useful features. Now tap on Gboard to open its specific settings. Gboard is packed with customization options, and this is where you can tweak how it behaves, including autocorrect, voice typing, themes, and of course, emoji suggestions. Once you're in the Gboard settings, tap on emojis, stickers, and GIFs. This section controls all the fun visual elements you can add to your messages, making your texts more expressive and engaging. Here you'll see a section named Suggestion Strip. This feature controls what appears above your keyboard while you're typing, helping you insert emojis, stickers, or GIFs quickly without switching menus. Under the Suggestion Strip section, you can see an option that says Show Emoji. This is the key setting that determines whether emoji suggestions appear as you type. When enabled, Gboard will intelligently suggest relevant emojis based on the words you're typing, making it faster and easier to add personality to your messages. Simply tap the toggle button beside Show Emoji to turn it on. Once activated, you'll start seeing emoji suggestions pop up as you type, saving you time and making your conversations more fun. And that's it. You've now enabled emoji suggestions on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, and your keyboard will intelligently recommend emojis as you type. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.